welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I got a package from FAMILOCS. They sent me their afro bulk kinky hair, this very cute rat tail comb, and this crochet pin. And so guys, I decided to, you know what, let's make magic with this afro bulk. Let's make magic with it. You guys, I just realized that hours of braiding and I cannot find the clips of me actually braiding this hair. My phone has been showing iPhone storage for you guys. That's why you should watch my ads so that I can buy a new phone. Anyways, what I did at the back was that I just made the hair into mini braids and then I twisted it at the end to give that curly effect. And this is how it came out, guys. This looks so natural and so lightweight. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.